Well, my name's James, and we had a little problem with our washing machine draining and leaking. So we called Chico Plumbing, and Mike came out to help us. Didn't really know what to expect at first. They're a bigger business, so their name's known. But my cousin highly recommended them. So we were pleasantly surprised to see how service-oriented Mike was, how he helped us, informing us of different things that may arise in the future, and educating us how to maintain our plumbing for the longest time possible. Definitely would recommend him to other family and friends, and we really appreciate all you guys' help and determination to serve your customers well. Thank you.
Thank you.